Hello, my name is Marie Fouché. Being in quarantine helped me to think of what is important about my life and the life of the people around me. Because I want to continue in the work that I had started for Haiti, I felt compelled to bring all the books that I had written while I was a teacher. And I put them on videos, and soon we'll be releasing all the scripts so that other teachers will be able to use or have their students or family members read about Haiti. I put them on Marika's bookshelf as part of the Haiti Diaries, because every year I travel since 2012 to Haiti to try to implement a project that we wanted to do for Ansavo, is a town where my husband comes from, that is going to celebrate 300 years in 2021. We wanted to do community development, as it is my background of community development in Haiti, using the Haitian Americans United for Progress, of which I am a founding member, to implement certain things to help them enjoy that 300-year anniversary. So by having the books published, they'll be able to be used in Haiti, in the orphanage that I work at L'Étangerie, that is also part of the Department of NIP, where I put a directory of the NIP in NIP Botin. I also prepared the CORA site, Coalition pour le Relèvement de l'Ensavon, which has collaborated with me in implementing this youth-oriented project, that these youth that came in 2014 and 2015 to learn how to organize themselves into community so that they would make changes in the country. Because from outside we cannot do much. It's the people from inside that has to rethink and do the things that are pertinent to their lives. So everything seems to be on hold at this time, and this is the year that I was supposed to go for 2 to 3 months to really dialogue and talk and live with the youngsters to see what do they want to accomplish and help them in this process. Is it going to be, will I be able to do that? I do not know. But meanwhile, I think having the books out there and the stories is a step in the right direction until we know what will happen next. Thank you. Now.